How to Shoot a Bow. Audition. Narrated by Tom Zadoyko. If you want to learn how to shoot a bow, then get this quick and to the point How to Shoot a Bow guide. In this step-by-step guide, you will discover archery tips, tricks, and secrets to shoot a bow better than others. How to shoot a bow more accurately. Instinctive archery secrets revealed. How to have the best bare bow archery stance. Best materials to get started. How to aim better using your instincts. Simple exercises to help you shoot instinctive archery better than before. How to improve your archery shooting, and much more. This step-by-step guide is written by a former professional archer who made the Irish Olympic team. You will learn a lot about how to unlock the archer within you to shoot a bow better. Click Add to Cart to get it now.